So the jet system, although it seems to be a very complex system with a lot of components, it is also a very robust system. This system is designed not only just to take your standard waste, and we don't want to promote the fact, but it's such a robust system that you saw in the video earlier where we just loaded it up with toilet paper. It will continue to run, and it's designed for this commercial application. So in here we have the jet's control system. You can see the programming is located here on the wall. We're not going to dive a lot into the technical. I just want you to know where all the components are, so if you do ever need to call in or you have a question about it, you know what you're looking at. Again, so you have the control system. The pump is located down here, and it is a 230 volt pump, which is why you'll notice there's a step up, step down transformer here. Because this system does come from Norway, you also have the European style plugs on here. So again, another use for that transformer. What this system does is it takes all of your waste from the toilets on demand as you push the button in there next to the toilet, and it charges the pump to bring the vacuum down to the correct PSI, and then that will pull all of your waste and everything back into the pump. Once it arrives here at the pump, it grinds it and liquefies it, and it will put it into the onboard waste tank here. Everything that goes in here is basically going to become a liquid. So to do that, you have a couple options once the waste is ground and liquefied. There's a valve down here, or an opening where you can plug in, and you can just do a direct to sewer. You can also have this tank pumped out with a standard pump truck. You also have the option of changing a couple valves up here and discharging the waste directly out. So you can go to an external tank at any point without even going into this tank. You can just bypass it. The pump is designed for that. With this valve in the open position, the ground waste gets liquefied and comes up and travels through here into the waste tank. If you choose to discharge the waste directly to an external tank or source, you will want to close the valve that goes into the waste tank here and open the valve to go to the external discharge.